Hey guys, Max here. In this video, I'm going to review a credit card I've had for about 4 years now. It's the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. The review starts right now. First and foremost, I have had a checking account with Chase. I've had a few credit cards. I've always had a good experience. I'm a person that's probably the person who makes the most money. Actually not. I don't call in with any questions ever. I do research myself and I find out things online. I almost never have to call anybody, but the couple times I have, whether the credit card is lost or I misplaced it or whatever it is, silly me, I've had a really, really good experience with I think they're in the Philippines. I think they're based in the Philippines. Anyway, the customer service experience has been really top notch. I can't say that about all credit cards or all banks I've used, but Chase, I've had a really good experience. Here it is. It's blue. It's nothing really special. It's not cool titanium, but at least it's a cool color. Anyway, here we go. So there's multiple things I really like about this card. The first one is there's $200 bonus offer after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. That's industry standard, I would say. Nothing too crazy about that, but $200 on $500, that's a great investment if you ask me. And then there's no annual fee. This is really important. Because when you have so many credit cards, what's the point of having ones that have annual fees unless you're at a point in your life where you're really, really using them a ton and it pays for the annual fee. I don't use my credit cards a ton for a huge dollar transaction or dollar amount, so having no annual fee is something I always look for unless it's something that really, really makes sense. And I mean, it really has to make sense. I'm not quite there yet, but maybe sometime I will be. The 0% APR intro for 15 months, that's always nice. Maybe you have some big purchases you have to do. When I finished college, I had a $3,000 car repair, and I was not employed yet. So I put it on one of these credit cards, and I was able to pay it off over that 15-month period with 0 interest. Now, beware. If you have purchases and you do not plan on paying them off within the time period, you're going to deal with 14 to 23% APR. That's a huge and ton amount of interest. Something to avoid. If you have to do it, yes, don't use this as your backup plan, though. Or don't use it as your plan A. Use it only as your backup plan. What I also like about this card is there's easy and simple rewards redemption. It's 1.5% on everything. There's some other things, 5% on travel through Chase, 3% on restaurants and drugstores, which is good. I don't really put that into the equation, though. The 1.5% on everything makes it super simple. There's no rotating categories like all these things, all these other cards you have to sign up for once a quarter. Super simple, 1.5% cash back. I don't need to think twice about it. And when they approved me, they gave me $11,500 in credit. Now, you may receive more or less depending on your situation, but that's what they gave me immediately. A quick note, though, this is definitely not your credit card to take out of country. There's 3% transaction in US dollars, which sucks. So it's domestic card only. In order to qualify for the Freedom Unlimited, it looks like NerdWallet says you need between $690 and $850, which is between the good and excellent category. In order for you to get your credit score for free, I'd recommend going to the website I've used. It's called Credit Sesame. Go to maxmymoney.org/CS for Credit Sesame. You go there. You can sign up in 90 seconds, and you don't need to put in a credit card. And you can start pulling your credit, start pulling all your reports if you'd like, and all that is for free. You do not need to put a credit card in. Use my link, maxmymoney.org/CS for Credit Sesame. And I also did a review on Credit Sesame, and that link will be in the description to see if it's something that would be useful for you. I use this card often. I've really enjoyed it. There's been no hangups whatsoever. Easy automatic payment through my checking account. The interface on the website or the app, I've actually never used the app, disclosure, but the website's been really simple. I've really enjoyed it. And the only issue I have with this card is the rewards are not higher, but you get the 1.5% because it's simple. That's what I like. Simple, easy, no annual fee. Sign me up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know what credit card I should review next. Talk to you guys soon.